Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we are going to be replacing the heater hose connector from the heater hose on the water pump that goes up to the heater core going through the firewall. You'll need both these parts. I got by just using this one, but it makes the hose really hard to get on, tighten down. So I looked into it and you have a second piece. Both of these pieces will be in the description, or the link to buy both of these pieces will be in the description, so make sure you check in there. I got the old one off. It was a pain in the ass, so you're going to go ahead and see that like right now. Okay, now that is a bitch to get off, but the back one, really for both. The bottom one I cut it to get it off. The one against the firewall just squeezed. The old hose has, so it's like a 3-piece connector. I'm going to get this off. Voila! Alright. So the old one looks like this. It's a 3-piece. It'd be a 2-piece connector. Now that we have that one off, pain in the ass, we're going to go ahead and connect it the proper way, which is put this one on first, then put your hose on and connect it second. Let's go to do that. I gotta hurry up because it's getting dark. Lined it up with the back first, or that one coming out of the firewall, and the one going down to the rear. Lined them up at the same time, pushing it at the same time. Make sure you get the click. If you don't get the click, it's not locked in place. So that one is clicked in, and that one's clicked in. Give them a nice little tug. Make sure they're nice and tight in there. You don't want this building up pressure and just blowing out. So you gotta make sure that's nice and snug. Now with your hose, we're going to go ahead and put this connector on. Slides right on there as well. This makes the proper fitment. Like I said, you can pull the hose up to it. It does rub on the EGR valve, but in a pinch, if you had to, you could just use that to get by. If you're going to do that, put your hose on. Well, it doesn't matter. You can put it on either after, before or after. But now let's go ahead and add this, hook it up properly. Oh yeah, put a little bit of lube in here. Alright, simple. And the lock. Do you see my pliers? Never set tools on a window like this. You can crack your window. Make sure it's up here above that little lip that you had. Now this is just going to slide right on. Well, don't slide right on. Let's put some lube on it. This is just some assembly grease. We'll figure put some lube on it, goes right in, right? All right, give it a nice little tug. Nice little tug. Ooh, see? All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you do your heater core connector. Links in the description for the parts that you need. Like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for staying tuned.